Have you ever wondered why horses get sharp teeth? Every horse, whether it's a Grand Prix dressage horse, an Olympic show jumper, a top-level eventer, or a companion Shetland pony, will develop sharp teeth. In fact, what is quite phenomenal is that the problem doesn't just end there. Recent studies have shown that up to 70% of horses have undiagnosed dental problems. Hi, my name is Mark Thorne from the British Association of Equine Dental Technicians, and I'm going to try to explain a few of the reasons why horses' teeth become sharp and why they need to be maintained. So, firstly, horses, ponies and donkeys are grazing animals with teeth that have evolved to cope with continuous grinding of coarse grasses and rough forage for over 16 hours a day, which equates to around 30,000 chews a day. And one of their key adaptations is a set of hard-wearing and specialised teeth that enables them to process forage very efficiently. Horses have 12 incisor teeth at the front of the mouth, and these are used for gripping and tearing off the grass close to the ground. And they have 12 premolars and 12 molars at the back, which we collectively refer to as the cheek teeth, and these 24 teeth are responsible for grinding up the food. One key aspect of equine dental anatomy is that horses' teeth are called hypsodont, meaning they have long reserved crowns below the gum, and as the teeth gradually wear down, they erupt into the mouth to keep the teeth opposed to each other, rather like a mechanical pencil, which has a finite amount of lead, which is gradually worn down with use. Their teeth enable them to graze tough grasses for over 16 hours a day, but this results in a lot of wear and tear to the grinding surfaces. The cheek teeth are highly mineralised and are made up of 3 different hard substances called enamel, dentine and cementum, which combine to provide a unique abrasive surface which is highly efficient at grinding up fibrous food. There are transverse ridges across the teeth surfaces, and there are vertical ridges on the outer edges of the upper teeth. And although they are highly mineralised, inside the teeth are nerves and blood vessels, which are called the pulp, which give the teeth their vitality. Horses chew on one side at a time, switching sides periodically in a combined side-to-side and circular motion to grind down their food. The upper jaw is markedly wider than the lower jaw, so the teeth are not fully in opposition when the mouth is closed. Combined with this, the teeth surfaces are not completely horizontal. They are angled downwards at the outside, and the transverse ridges of the tooth surfaces and the lateral ridging on the sides of the teeth together all contribute to the formation of sharp enamel points which form on the outer edges of the upper teeth and the inner edges of the lower teeth. Added to this, chewing is not always perfectly symmetrical in all horses, so their teeth don't necessarily wear down evenly.
Hi, I'm Gail from Ag Plus, and today we're going to talk about the importance of biosecurity in the equine dental industry. I'm with equine dentist Ryan Becker. What can clients expect from you in terms of biosecurity, Ryan?
It's really important that all of the tools and equipment are presented on arrival, clean, disinfected, so that when you arrive, everything is ready to go and looks good to the customers.
And you use our Endosan disinfectant, and how long have you been using that now?
I've been using Endosan for about 3 years, I'd say now. I found it really good.
What will you do with your tools before you go to the next client?
Everything gets cleaned, disinfected, dried and put back away.
Our Endosan is a human-grade water treatment product. It's not caustic and it's also organic and biodegradable. And then what about for you?
So I would wash my hands again through the disinfectant, thanks
And
to the
your
warm
hot water,
Thank you
lovely.
for the warm water, yep. And then after that, I would do my boots, top and bottoms. So anything that's come into contact with the horse on the stable, the underneaths and on the top, both sides, just so everything's clean, ready to turn up to the next client.
Lovely. And why is that so important?
Well, obviously, you don't want to spread any diseases.
Thank you very much, Ryan. Nice to see you.
Yes, and you, Gail. Jeremy is a very good boy.
Always. And you're all set up, ready to go to your next client?
Yep, everything's been cleaned, disinfected, put away and ready for the next horse.
Virtually every horse will have some degree of uneven wear, and over time, parts of the teeth or individual teeth may wear faster than others and become uneven in height. These sharp edges and uneven teeth can then cause things like cheek and tongue ulceration, restricted jaw movement and eventually difficulty chewing. A question I'm frequently asked is, why do domesticated horses need dental care when they don't have it in the wild? Well, Horses in the wild are browsers who will naturally experience tooth wear due to their continuous grazing on abrasive, fibrous materials like coarse grass or scrub, which requires extensive chewing. Selective breeding and domestication has altered their diet and the amount of time spent eating by providing higher quality or more processed feeds. Horses may spend less time grazing and their diet often lacks the abrasive food that helps wear down teeth naturally, which then results in sharp edges forming. If sharp points are left untreated, they can dig into the cheeks and tongue, causing sores, ulcers, and of course pain. A horse with sharp teeth may find it difficult to chew, which can result in reduced food intake and poor digestion. When a horse is in pain due to sharp teeth, it may eat more slowly, eat less, drop food, or even stop eating altogether. This can obviously lead to weight loss or sometimes even choke or colic. Of course, sharp teeth can also lead to a whole variety of riding problems, such as head tossing or not accepting the bit. Horses are living much longer lives these days, and it's not uncommon for horses to outlive their teeth. Sadly, teeth that have been allowed to become too tall will cause a premature expiry of their opposing teeth. Also, elderly horses may have loose or missing teeth, leading to further uneven wear and problems chewing. Rasping or floating is the process of filing down the sharp edges of horses' teeth and balancing or levelling the uneven teeth using a special type of rasp. These days, this is usually done by an equine dental technician or a specialising vet using very quiet, gentle motorised tools with diamond cutting heads which allow high visualisation for the practitioner and great accuracy. The goal is not only to remove the sharp points, but also to balance the teeth so that they wear more evenly in the future. And this will reduce the likelihood of premature tooth expiry and other secondary problems. How often a horse needs its teeth rasped depends on several factors, including its age, diet, and individual dental needs. For instance, younger horses with softer, fast erupting teeth may require rasping more frequently, whilst older horses with slower tooth eruption may only require rasping once a year if they don't have any specific dental issues. Either way, regular dental checkups are important to catch issues before they become severe. In general, it is recommended that horses have their teeth examined and floated at least once a year. By preventing sharp points from forming, regular rasping ensures that the horse can eat comfortably and without pain, and properly maintained teeth will allow the horse to chew food thoroughly, promoting better digestion, and horses with comfortable mouths are less likely to exhibit negative behaviours when they're ridden or handled. A healthy mouth contributes to a healthy horse and reduces the likelihood of secondary dental problems. In conclusion, horses' teeth develop sharp edges due to their unique anatomy, chewing patterns, and the nature of their diet. Without regular dental care, these sharp points can lead to significant health and behavioural issues. Dental examinations and any rasping or floating is a necessary procedure for domesticated horses to keep their teeth in tip-top condition, ensuring that they can chew comfortably and efficiently, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining a horse's well-being, helping to prevent pain, improve digestion, and enhance their overall quality of life. Please like and subscribe to hear more about other dental-related issues. For a full list of BAEDT qualified EDTs near you, please click on the link below, and if there's anything you would like to learn more about, please let us know in the comments and we will do our best to get back to you.